What's up guys? Well, today Apple has launched the two new iPhones, iPhone 5C and iPhone 5s. I will be doing a recap as what has been introduced in the keynote. So first we'll be talking about iPhone 5C. As you know that C stands for color and it comes with a variety of colors like green, pink, blue, white and yellow. This is considered as the cheapest version of the iPhone as said by the people, not by Apple. Also available are custom soft fill rubber slipcase for $29 each based on the iOS 7 color scheme. Well, basically iPhone 5C is a new version of iPhone 5. It has the same specs of iPhone 5 but with variety of colors and with a plastic body. It has an improved eyesight camera with a better battery life. We can purchase iPhone 5C unlocked with the price tag of $549. iPhone 5C will be available on contract for $99 of 16 gigs and 32 gigs of $199. So iPhone 5C will be available for pre-orders from September 13th. Now let's talk about iPhone 5s. I'll be discussing about iPhone 5s in 5 steps. The first one will be related with the design. There hasn't been any change in the design except for the flash as it provides great photos in low light condition. The second one would be related with the internals of the iPhone 5s. As you know that a new chip has been introduced which is called as Apple A7 chip, which has a 64-bit processor along with the new improved battery life. Now what this means is that A7 should achieve a staggering 40x faster CPU performance and 50x faster GPU performance compared to its predecessor. The third thing that I'll be talking about is the OpenGL ES 3.0, which is also supported for the new Nexus 7. So you can expect even more breathtaking, beautiful 3D games that will be played on the iDevice iPhone 5s. The fourth one that I'll be talking about is the new improved camera. It has got a 5-element lens with an aperture of 2.2 on top of a sensor with a surface area 15% larger than the device. It replaces the larger sensor typically means low light sensitivity is improved in iPhone 5s camera. We can also take better pictures with less noise, with less illumination, with a greater new optics. Lastly, I'll be talking about the fingerprint sensor. Apple has also confirmed the various rumored feature of the iPhone 5s, a fingerprint sensor built right into the home button called Touch ID. While the obvious use is unlocking your phone, it can also be used to verify purchases and can handle multiple fingerprints from different users. So through this, Apple has increased its privacy issues to the consumer. So this has been my review of iPhone 5C and iPhone 5s. Hope you guys like my video, find my video helpful. Please do comment, subscribe, hit the like button and do follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram for more update as I'll be doing a hands-on review of iPhone 5C and iPhone 5s as soon as I get my hands on them. Till then, I'll be seeing you in my next video.